Sheshes Yomim Ta'avodu V'Yom HaShvi'i Tishbois. Should work 6 days and rest on the 7th, but one has to understand, why does it say 6 days you should work? The Torah can just say rest on the 7th and we will understand that 6 days you may work. The Chafetz Chaim once went to visit an owner of a big factory. It's a big factory, hired a lot of workers, but he used to work on Shabbos, and the Chafetz Chaim wanted to explain to him how terrible it is to violate Shabbos. And the Chafetz Chaim told him, the Pasuk says, Sheshes Yamim Ta'avod, you should work 6 days, Uvayom HaShvi'i Tishbois, and you should rest on the 7th. But the owner of the factory said, I make 4,000 ruble every single day. If I close on Shabbos, I will lose that amount. The Chafetz Chaim says, but the Torah says 6 days you should work and the 7th you should rest. If you don't rest on the 7th, you also won't be able to work on the 6 days. Is it better to lose the entire factory? The owner of the factory started laughing. He says, do you think a pasuk in the Torah is what keeps my factory around? The Chafetz Chaim left. A short time after that, the Russians came in and they took the factory. They took everything that guy owned. He was left without anything. And he quickly wrote a letter to the Chafetz Chaim saying, I didn't know. The rabbi was right. A pasuk in the Torah decides what's going to be with my factory. Little did I know.